So anybody's wondering what's going on here, why we haven't posted in a few days, Dad's actually been busy sanding and priming and taping and whatnot. He's got to paint the Johannson Fisheries Bombardier. We'll try and get a update from Dad on what's going on here, but this is what he's doing. So it's not really much activity here, and plus it's been really dusty, and so we're just entertaining friends and dogs and everybody else around here. He's got the other Bombardier covered in a tarp so it doesn't get damaged. We also had some water leakage on top of the roof. So this is what Dad's been doing, and there's not much else going on here. Dad did a massive cleanup of the shop. He actually got rid of a bunch of stuff back over in here, reorganized stuff, and we threw out a truckload of trash and whatnot. Our cat's back. Cat's been on mouse detail here. We had to do a lot of cleanup because Dad was actually finding that he couldn't find anything, but he also couldn't work with stacking stuff upon stacking stuff, so we had to clean up. So if that's what has been going on here, and we're going to try and maybe do an update with Dad here later on, but that is basically it for now. So what's the progress here?
Well, I got the roof done yesterday, and this part here and the back door. So I'll finish priming here today, and then day after tomorrow is paint day.
Okay. Was it what you expected?
Yeah, this is some of the places where I had to do body work.
Yeah.
Like in the front, all the way around. There's a lot of different places. This was rotted out here.
Did you have to weld in there, or?
No, I had to sand it right down to bare metal and then body it with kitty hair. That's the only thing that sticks. Eh?
Okay. Well, looks pretty good on top.
Yeah. This is primed. I'll spray this tomorrow too.
Okay. So there's not much you gotta like wait, or what's the deal here?
Well, once I get this done, then it takes a couple of days before it's dry. Good day. And then
Visitors.
the next thing is brakes. I'm waiting for a rotor.
Okay. And you've got
That's
the Asham one all
covered up. I don't want any overspray on it.
Okay.
Okay. Steve, do you want to open the front there? Sure. Pretend you're a fisherman.
He's got the Johannson Fisheries jacket on, so he's doing some quality advertising.
No, lift it right up. Right up. That's it. So that, keep going.
Wow, look at that. Huh?
So you can see in there, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch that wiring. I got to replace it.
Okay.
Okay, she's painted Johannson shiny black.
Yeah.
And the windshield wiper and the aerials on, so you can put the radio on anytime you want. The only piece of glass in this whole machine is the front window.
Yeah.
Okay, the rest is plastic. So I had to mask these and leave them as they are, because that's all plastic with plastic windows. But everything works good. Now back here, I'm going to put the tanks in next.
Okay, I see you got the brand new tanks in there.
But I got to put some tape down so I don't scratch the paint, and cut around there so that the new tanks fit.
Okay, so
The other ones were homemade.
I see. Okay, so the new tanks don't fit the old holes.
That's right.
Okay.
Both sides. And then once I'm still waiting for a rotor.
I have the caliper and everything, and then I can put the brakes in. And then Steve will bring his truck over with the crane and we'll put the auger on.
Oh, okay.
So it's all painted inside. I didn't do anything here because that all gets covered. So that's it.
So how many days does this take you to do?
Well, on and off between the two of them, I was at this for 4 days sanding and masking.
Okay.
Because you don't want any paint on the windows just in case there's little chips from over the years, and then you can't clean it out.
And I understand you had a bit of a surprise. It was the first time the cat didn't inspect your paint job?
Yeah, it was the first time the cat didn't walk over a fresh paint job and leave paw marks.
Okay, well, I guess good on that. So, Steve, what do you think?
But he's putting his taillight on.
Like midnight black.
Midnight black, yeah, but it's nice and shiny. It looks pretty good, eh?
Yeah, very nice.
It's Johannson black.
Oh, right on. So are they going to put the decal on the side of the door?
I imagine the decal turn around. The decal is going to look like that
Good, okay.
on each door.
Oh, that'd be sweet. So, it looks showroom pretty right now. It's a long time coming to this, but
At least Eric can see it now anyway.
yeah, well,